I'm Kaye, and welcome to my violin studio. This website is the front door to my online violin studio. I've been teaching violin for over 20 years, and 10 years of those have been online. Around 10 years ago, I came to Bulgaria as a performing violinist and performing with orchestras here, and when I did so, my violinists in the States wanted to continue to have lessons. At first, I was like, no way, online teaching, I don't think so. But they were really persistent, and I found out when I started to teach online how effective it truly was. I did change up things a little bit to even make it more effective by creating video training programs and 4 distinct academies. Mastering Fundamentals Academy, Violin Technique Academy, Position Mastery Academy, and Gorgeous Tone Academy. Every single one of these academies have group workshops, live group workshops where you get to work with me. I also do online lessons, one-on-ones, and video exchange. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and give you the tour of Kaye Violin Studio. See you there. And welcome to the studio tour. I'm so excited to show you around so you can see exactly what works for you in your violin journey. So here at the home page, you get to know a little bit about me, just a tiny bit, and then we get into what is currently running at the studio. So if you want to see what is going live, right now we're going through Position Mastery Academy, and you can learn more about these academies by clicking on Join the Studio. So if you click on Join the Studio, then you will come to the page where you have a choice. So we click on the violin, you're going to find the different academies, the video exchange, private violin sessions, and also the alignment sessions. So any of these that you're interested in, you can go ahead and discover more about them. So the Technique and Tone Academies, as you know, I mentioned there are 4 of them. So you just think about what is your priority right now of improvement? Where do you want to improve the most in your violin journey? Or you can think, what is something that you're really struggling with and you just want to nip it in the bud and get it done and not have these issues anymore, right? So maybe it's within Violin Technique. So Violin Technique is a year-long program with 8 live online workshops. So you can enroll in this at any time, and you can also discover more by clicking on it and go to that specific enrollment page where you're going to see the exact curriculum and what we are working on in Violin Technique Academy. And as you can see, you have your live workshops here. So depending on when you're watching this video, you can see when the next live workshop is going to be. Mastering Fundamentals Academy is great for violinists that are really wanting to improve their foundation. Now, this could be a newbie. This could be an advanced violinist that just really wants to get into their left hand and the right hand and just fix it up, right? So that's Mastering Fundamentals Academy. It's great for newbies, beginner, and intermediate violinists. Everything in this academy is specifically in first position. We don't go outside of first position in Mastering Fundamentals Academy. So if you're looking for a training program to improve your position reading in 2nd through 7th position, and to improve your first position intonation, I would highly suggest Position Mastery Academy. Position Mastery Academy is exceptional for you to fill in those holes or those weaknesses you feel like you may have in your position studies. So it's an 8-week program. At the first semester is 8 weeks, and then the second semester is another 8 weeks. So the first semester we focus on position work, entirely position work within the positions. The second 8-week semester we focus on actually shifting through those positions. So you can discover more about position mastery. I've had so many violinists say that they wish they had this program years ago because it really just hones in on position work. If you're wanting to play pieces more freely and not to have the shifting freak-out moments or the high note freak-out moments, or you just really want to understand the violin like a grid and know that everything is figured out and take out all guesswork, Position Mastery Academy is for you. And it includes every single exercise, so many books, so many position books, etudes, scales, everything is included in Position Mastery Academy. So this is really something to think about if you want to improve your position playing and your intonation in those positions. And you can see when these live workshops are. All live workshops are held on Zoom. They are recorded and uploaded into the program after we finish the live workshop. And so what that means is that you have access to all the live workshops previously even. So this first ran live in 2017, and we're running live right now with Position Mastery Academy. So again, you can enroll in this at any time and join us in the lives when they are going. You have access to these academies for the lifetime of the academy. So with Position Mastery Academy, I encourage my violinists to go through with the momentum and then find out where you want to spend more time, and then you can spend more time in that specific spot after we go through the momentum. Gorgeous Tone Academy is my most popular and most loved program. So many violinists just want to play with that gorgeous tone. That's why we are violinists, right? We don't want to sound horrible. So Gorgeous Tone Academy actually is an incredible academy because it doesn't have any notes. You actually learn the playing of the violin, everything with the right hand, with the bow, how to pull out that gorgeous tone, that gorgeous sound that you're really truly wanting, how to play with this relaxed left hand and this gorgeous vibrato. So if you are, wanting to just improve your tone, Gorgeous Tone Academy is for you. It works for beginner violinists, newbie violinists, seasoned violinists, professional violinists, and teachers. I've had every single level violinist go through this academy, and everybody learns something. They have something to take away, and as in every single academy, you have the opportunity to do it again the next time we run it live. So all alumni are invited and encouraged to participate when we go through these academies, when they start running live. And the reason why is because they actually learn more the second time around, and they help the violinists that are actually going through it the first time. So it's a beautiful, beautiful program. We are running live this academy, I believe, in September of this year, so depending on when you're watching the video, but this academy always runs live in the fall. Again, you have access to it all year round. You can enroll at any time. The live group workshops are mainly in September. So you can enroll and get a head start, and then we will be working live September through November. It's a 12-week program. Okay, so those are the academies. I have my wonderful bookshop here, and my books have become extremely popular because they're 100% downloadable, immediately available. So as soon as if there's something that you're looking for, you can just buy it and have it in seconds. So they're extremely popular. The Fourth Finger Studies is really, really popular. I have this in all different positions. Not available on the website yet to the timing of this video, but they are coming. I have written over 20 exercise books, and you're probably thinking, well, why aren't they all here? And the reason why is because I'm going through a revamp right now, and they're all getting touched up. So as soon as they're available, I put them here. So as the filming of this video, we have the beginner violinist books available, Fourth Finger Studies, and strengthening exercises in first position here. Okay, so you can see what's included. I had put a couple of examples here so you can see what you're looking for, and reviews of the books to find out if they might be working for you, and some FAQs about the books. So they are 100% immediately downloadable. You can print them up. They work out really well printed. Let's see if I have one here nearby. I have one on the stand behind me. Here we have strengthening exercises for first position. So if you print them up, they work out really well with the spiral binding. I love to have a spiral binding so they sit flat on the page. And they have images in them to help you out. As some of them do, some of the books, but strengthening exercises for first position have images within. So definitely stay tuned on this page. And if you're wanting to get updates on these books, then definitely enroll in my newsletter, and you'll be able to get updated every single time a new book is put out. I even have requests for new books to write. I just got requests yesterday. So I love writing books. It's so much fun for me, and it's just so much fun to see violinists all over the world work with the books. So if you're thinking, well, okay, I'd like to know how violinists feel working within the studio, I have a success stories page here. You can see pictures of violinists that have worked with me. And as you can see, I have all different ages, all newbies to professionals that I have worked with. I love working with violinists who just have a desire to improve and know that they can. So you can see so many violinists here that have worked with me and enjoyed working with my programs. And that's why I love to offer different types of programs, academies, video exchange, one-on-ones, because we all learn at in different ways. And so that's one thing that I have known and learned, how to teach online. It's not just about one-on-one sessions, come to the studio, come to the house and get a session. It's really about how to present the material in such a way that it works with the online platform. So go ahead and take a peek at these violinists. They're all wonderful, wonderful violinists, all different levels. And it's my pleasure to work with them. So once you do enroll in a program and an academy, you do have the login page right here, so you can just go ahead and log in. And this is where you log into the academies. Now, if you want to learn more about me, hop on over to the About page. I always think it's a good idea to get to know your teacher, who you want to study from. And so you can read more about me and my violin journey here, my background, and more about the studio. So that is the tour. If you're wanting to get it right now, I'm offering an MP3 of a free audio training called How to Get the Most Results in the Shortest Amount of Time, 3 simple strategies to create the most time-efficient, impactful practice sessions. Then go ahead and enroll here. And when you enroll, then you will also get every single update for books, workshops, and academies. So without further ado, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful high vibe violin journey, sparkling it right now with tons of light and love. And if you have any questions, send me an email at studio@heatherkviolin.com, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Take care. Ciao.